Hello, I'm Kate Stichin on InstaForex TV with the fresh Forex news. On Thursday, the European Central Bank left its key interest rate unchanged at the record low level of 1%, as it was expected by the most part of observers. All economists were forecasting that the central bank will keep the interest rate without changes. The most part of them do not expect that the ECB will raise the rates till the middle of 2011, since the capital underutilization in the most part of the region's economy sectors most probably will prevent the excessive advance of the consumer price index, despite the improvement of the situation with economic activity. According to March forecast of the ECB, the GDP of Eurozone will increase by 0.4 1.2% this year, and by 0.5 to 0.5% in 2011. Meanwhile, the annual inflation will be 0.8 1.6% this year, and 0.9 to 0.1% in 2011. The positive economic data and the optimistic results of surveys probably will cause the upward revision of forecast for the growth of the economic activity as well as for the price rise. However, the probability that the inflation will exceed the comfort zone for the ECB, which corresponds to the annual growth of the CPI, is low. On Wednesday, Trisha said that 330 million of people in Eurozone can expect that ECB will always provide the price stability. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team. Goodbye.